Hello, my lovelies. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to do a quick update just for kind of what's happening on my YouTube channel and my YouTube membership, and just to say thank you to all of you guys. My membership has been going amazing. I think we're holding pretty steady at like 400 members, and I would love it if you would come join us. If you're interested in live yoga, live tarot readings, live new moon and full moon workshops, I do worksheets for the new moons and the full moons. We get live together and we just have this awesome coven of wonderful, wonderful people. We have a private Discord community, so you have a live chat with everyone in the community. And it's just been really incredible to be able to pivot my business towards this and just do what I love. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you to be able to do this. So I just wanted to update you and say thanks. We did a yoga challenge in March and it was awesome, and just the feedback was incredible. It's so crazy to me to have all these people here in this community doing these challenges with me. And I am hosting another one in May. So starting May 1st, I'm doing another yoga challenge. I would love to have you there with me. All you have to do is hit join. It's right next to the subscribe button. It only shows up on desktop. It doesn't show up on mobile for some reason. But if you go to your desktop, it'll show up right next to the subscribe button, either on this video or on my page. I will also put a link in the description box below to sign up. It's only $9.99 per month, and you can support me and my channel. You can have this awesome community and online coven, and just come join us we do live tarot check-ins. So I get on every week. We do a live tarot reading check-in. Sometimes I do personal readings. We do live yoga every week, once or twice a week. We do the live new moon and full moon workshops, and then I host yoga challenges every other month. And we have that private Discord chat. I'm trying to think of all the other benefits. It's just awesome to have a community. I think that's pretty much it. I'm hosting another retreat. So it is in the Yucca Valley and Joshua Tree. It is in July. Registration for that is opening up first to my private clients and then to my membership. So if you're interested in that retreat, I recommend joining the membership because they'll get first dibs if you really want to go. I think that's all I wanted to say. But you know, even if you're here just doing my free classes, I'm so grateful for you more than you know, because of you, I am able to do these things. I am able to, you know, make my living kind of online and doing what I love and producing these yoga classes and tarot readings and witchy magical stuff for you guys. So even when you're just watching my regular videos here on YouTube, you're supporting me more than you know. I also have a free Facebook group, so if you want kind of like some free support, I try to make everything as accessible as possible, so I love having options kind of at all price ranges. I do have a free Facebook group, which is a nice little free Facebook community. And then of course the membership is only $9.99 a month. You can cancel anytime, you can rejoin anytime. That is there for you. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Perhaps I'll see you in the membership, or maybe I'll just continue seeing you here on YouTube, but thank you.